144 is over estimating and measuring volume of prisms and cylinders. And it describes here the volume is the measure of space inside a solid figure. The volume of a prism or cylinder is found by multiplying the area of the base by the height, and that's capital V equals capital B H. Volume is measured in cubic units such as cubic centimeters, and you'd write it cm to the third, or cubic inches, which would be in to the third. So we're going to look at these. It says which container has the greatest volume, and there's figure A, figure B, or figure C. We're going to look at the volume of figure A first. We know that figure A is a rectangular prism, and to get the area of that, we're going to let the area of each base equal capital B. So we know that capital B is equal to length times width. So the length here is 10 centimeters, and the width is 2 centimeters. So 10 times 2 is 20 centimeters squared, and then the volume is capital B times H, and that would be 20, because we just got that. That's the B. 20 times 12, because 12 is the height, and that would equal 240 centimeters cubed. Step 2, we're going to look at figure B, and we know that figure B is a cylinder. Kind of looks like a Coke can. So we're going to work on, we're going to let pi, which is equal to 3.14, and base is pi r squared. And so we multiply all that together. 3.14 times 2, we got 2 from the top, and 2 and then squared. So that would equal 12.56 centimeters squared. So to get the volume of it, we're going to go capital B times H. And we know that's about 12.56 times 12, and 12 is the height. And so that's going to be 150.72 centimeters cubed. Last one is figure C. We know figure C is a triangular prism, and it's going to be base equals half of base times height. So we're going to go half of 6 times 8, because 6 is the 1 and here's the 8. So we're going to use those two. So that's 24 centimeters squared. So to get the volume, we're going to go capital B times H, because we just got what capital B is. So that's 24 times 9, and that's 216 centimeters squared. On the next page, it's asking, compare the volumes. Figure A has the greatest volume. So the greatest volume would be figure A, because it will hold, out of the 3, it's going to hold 240 centimeters cubed. B would hold 150.72 centimeters cubed, and then figure C would hold 216 centimeters cubed. And that's how you work with the volume of prisms and cylinders.